Hi. How was your weekend?
It was great. I went on a trip.
Wow. Where did you go?
I went to the mountains with my family.
That sounds amazing. Was it far?
Yes, about 4 hours by car.
Did you enjoy the trip?
Yes, very much. The weather was cool.
Nice. I love cool places.
Yes, and the air was so fresh.
Did you see snow there?
No, not this time. Maybe next winter.
What did you do there?
We walked, took pictures, and ate food.
That's fun. What food did you eat?
We ate noodles and grilled corn.
Yum. I love grilled corn too.
Yes, it tastes better in cold weather.
Did you stay in a hotel?
Yes, a small one near the river.
Oh, wow. That sounds beautiful.
Yes, I could hear the water at night.
That must be so peaceful.
Yes, I slept very well there.
Did you buy anything from the trip?
Yes, I bought a small keychain.
That's cute. I also like collecting things.
Really? What do you collect?
I collect postcards from every place.
Oh, that's a nice idea.
Yes, I have 10 postcards now.
Do you like traveling often?
Yes, I love seeing new places.
Me too. Traveling makes life exciting.
Yes, and we learn new things too.
That's true. I want to travel abroad one day.
Which country do you want to visit?
Maybe Japan or France. You?
I want to go to Korea someday.
That's nice. I love Korean food.
Yes, and the cities look beautiful.
Do you like beach trips or mountain trips?
I like the mountains more.
Same. The view is so relaxing.
Yes, and it's quiet and clean.
But beaches are fun too, right?
Yes, I love watching the sea waves.
Me too. They make me feel calm.
When will you travel next?
Maybe during the school holidays.
That's soon. Where will you go?
Maybe to a nearby city this time.
That sounds good. Short trips are nice too.
Yes, just a break from daily life.
Do you travel by bus or car?
Usually by car with my family.
Same. We play music on the way.
Yes, we sing and laugh together.
Travel time feels special, right?
Yes, it makes strong memories.
Okay, I must go now.
Sure. Thanks for sharing your trip.
No problem. I love talking about travel.
Same. It makes me happy too.
Let's plan a trip together someday.
Yes, that would be amazing.
All right. See you tomorrow at school.